Hello guys, I'm KG Chato and I'm here to discuss about system configuration and its functions and its all of its tabs. So let's go. So first things first, let's search the system configuration here. Then what is system configuration? This boot configuration utility allows you to set the programs that will run at startup and to edit configuration files. It also offers simplified control over Windows services. System configuration utility consists of 5 functional tabs such as General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. So let's start with the General tab. Default tab in the system configuration. This is the default tab of the system configuration. Shows how the computer will start. So normal startup starts Windows in the usual manner. Next is the diagnostic startup. Starts window with the basic services and drivers only. Selective startup starts Windows with basic services and other services to start up programs that you select. Next is the boot tab. This tab allows you to make some adjustments without having to edit the file. It shows configuration options for the operating system and advanced debugging settings, including the following: the safe boot, minimal boots that Windows graphics user interface in safe mode running only critical system services. Networking is disabled. Alternate shell boots that the Windows command prompt in safe mode running only critical system services. Networking and the graphical user interface are disabled. Next is the Active Directory repair. Boots the Windows graphical user interface in safe mode running critical system services and Active Directory. Next is the network. Both boots the Windows graphical user interface in safe mode running only critical system services. Networking is disabled also. Next is the No GUI boot. Does not display Windows splash screen when booting. Bootlog stores all information from the boot process in the file system root. Next is the base video boots the Windows graphical user interface in minimal VGA mode. This loads standard VGA drivers instead of display drivers specific to the video hardware on the computer. Next is the OS boot information. It shows driver names as drivers are being loaded during the boot process. So that's for the boot tab. Next is the services. The services tab allow you to enable or disable any of the Microsoft Windows services or other programs services running on the computer. So this is all the running services in your computer. It lists all the services that start when the computer boots, along with their status, running or stopped. By checking the hide all Microsoft services box at the bottom of the window, this one. You can see all non-window services such as driver services and program services that are often the cause of startup problems. Unchecking a box will display the services from starting. Next is warning. Disabling services that normally run at boot time might cause some programs to malfunction or result in system instability. Do not disable services in this list unless you know they are not essential to your computers. Operation: selecting disable all will not disable some secure Microsoft services required for the operating system to start. So next tab is the startup. The startup tab is one of the most frequent reasons most Windows users enter the system configuration utility. In the startup tab, you will be able to see the list of applications that run when the computer boots, along with the name of their publisher, the path to the executable file, and the location of the registry key or shortcut that causes the application to run. These startup programs are often one of the biggest causes for a computer to start up and run slow. Windows 8 Microsoft has removed this startup feature in the system configuration utility and moved it into the Windows 8 Task Manager. So for you to open this tab, you need to click this Open Task Manager, and there you go. Uncheck any program that you want to disable from starting up each tab. Disabling applications that normally run at boot time might result in related applications starting more slowly or not running as expected. So next tab and the last one is the Tools tab. This tab provides a convenient list of diagnostic tools and other advanced tools that you can run. So these are those tools, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like the video, and thank you.